Join me as I dive into the secrets of Rich Dad Poor Dad, and see if I can apply these lessons to transform my financial future. The concept of Rich Dad Poor Dad has been a game changer for many people when it comes to understanding wealth-building principles. Written by Robert Kiyosaki, the book offers a unique perspective on money management, financial literacy, and the mindset required to achieve financial freedom. When it comes to financial struggles, most people can relate to living paycheck to paycheck, dealing with debt, and feeling uncertain about their financial future. The truth is, traditional education often fails to prepare individuals for financial success, leaving them to figure things out on their own. We're taught to work hard, get a good job, and save money, but no one ever teaches us how to invest, manage risk, or build multiple income streams. As a result, many people feel trapped in a cycle of financial stress, with no clear way out. Furthermore, the traditional education system focuses on teaching us how to be employees, not entrepreneurs or investors. We're not taught how to think creatively, take calculated risks, or negotiate deals. This lack of financial education sets us up for a life of financial mediocrity, where we're constantly struggling to make ends meet. In addition, the pressure to keep up with the Joneses and our fear of missing out often lead us to make poor financial decisions. We're tempted to buy things we don't need, to impress people we don't even know. This keeping up with the Joneses mentality is a surefire way to stay broke, stressed, and stuck in a life of financial struggle. So, how can we break free from this cycle of financial struggle? How can we build wealth, achieve financial freedom, and live the life we truly desire? One of the key lessons from Rich Dad Poor Dad is the importance of financial education. Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes that financial intelligence is what sets the rich apart from the poor. The rich understand how to make money work for them, while the poor work for money. This mindset shift is crucial if we want to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Another key lesson is the importance of investing. Investing is not just about putting your money in a savings account or a 401k. It's about creating multiple income streams, taking calculated risks, and building assets that generate passive income. The rich invest in assets that make them money, while the poor invest in liabilities that cost them money. The mindset difference between the rich and the poor is also a major takeaway from the book. The rich think differently, they're willing to take risks, challenge conventional wisdom, and think outside the box. They're not held back by fear, doubt, or uncertainty. Instead, they're driven by a desire to build wealth, create value, and make a difference. One of the most impactful revelations from the book is the concept of financial freedom. Financial freedom is not just about having a lot of money, it's about having the freedom to make choices, pursue your passions, and live life on your own terms. It's about being able to say no to things that don't serve you and yes to things that bring you joy and fulfillment. This concept completely changed my perspective on money and wealth. I realized that I didn't have to be a slave to my paycheck, that I could create multiple income streams, and that I had the power to choose my own financial destiny. It was a liberating feeling, and it completely transformed the way I think about money and wealth. In conclusion, the insights shared in this video are just a few of the many lessons from Rich Dad Poor Dad that can help you build wealth, achieve financial freedom, and live the life you truly desire. Remember, financial education, investing, and a wealthy mindset are the keys to unlocking your financial potential. What's the biggest takeaway you got from this video? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about financial literacy, be sure to check out my next video.